Alright guys, I want to show you our latest secret door. We've been working hard to get this puppy installed. We just finished it off. We are super jazzed about it. So this is a his and hers closet. I'm standing in the hers right now, so you can come and see. This entire closet is, there's no secret door in it. It's just so that it will match the his closet that does have a secret door. So this is a common thing that happens where clients will want us to do a bunch of adjacent cabinetry, and rather than split it up with two different contractors and run the risk that some of the moldings might not match, or the wood might be from a different kind of tree, or just very subtle little things in the way the moldings are, it's sometimes better just to have one company do all the woodwork, including the secret door and also all the adjacent cabinetry. So that's what we've done here. We'll walk over to his closet. I'm standing on his side. It's just a little bit smaller, but same beautiful craftsmanship throughout. And his side has a big secret. So if you get a really good look, I'm going to challenge you to detect where the secret door is located. There's a lot of people on YouTube and in other places that make secret doors, and they show these videos. They say, oh, look how great my secret door is. But when you see it in real life, you can tell that there's a door there. It's a whole nother level to make a secret door that is so good that when you're standing 6 inches away with a bright light on it, you simply cannot tell that there's a secret door. It's very challenging to do. We are the experts at it, and so that's why people come to us. And you could spend a lot of time in this closet and never know that it has a secret. Even you could probably live in this house and use this closet every day and never know that there's a secret. So this one has got a really clever activation method. We have set up an electrical circuit in between some of the hanging rods in here, so that when you touch two hanging rods at the same time, it runs a current through your body that you cannot feel, but it closes the circuit. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm just going to test these. You can hear the motor retracting, and we look this way. You can see the secret door is going to open. And this is not any old secret door. This is a bulletproof ballistic door with this super heavy-duty double shear locking mechanism. So this is going to be much, much more difficult to breach than a traditional safe that has cantilevered locking pins that stick out of the edges. This has these tabs that go into these slots, and then the pins are protected behind the steel, and the pins run up and down and lock everything together. And then when you go inside the secret room, you can see we have armored the walls. So this was sort of ordinary interior walls, and we brought in armor plate that we precision cut using our machinery at our workshop. We freighted all the stuff here to the client's house, which is at an undisclosed location, obviously. And we installed all of this plate so that this room is now bulletproof and it's secure against all kinds of attacks. And then after we leave, the client's going to come in and add sheetrock and do some other stuff inside of here, so that you could be in here and not feel like you're inside of a metal room. So that's the project. We're super excited about it. I don't think it could have possibly turned out any better.